Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. It's I, Snowman. Today we're going to be unboxing the Legacy Pro Edition Call of Duty Infinite Warfare for the Xbox One. It also came with the Battle Pack, or Bullet Hop Pack, whatever. It's on the receipt, so I pre-ordered it. This retails for like $120. Definitely overspent. This half trash. This is all we really care about. This COD 4 remaster. Here's some useful stuff on the back. Terminals bonus map, 5 supply drop. Official digital soundtrack. That's interesting. Not really. Season pass, of course. Zombies and Spaceland pack. Sounds like absolute trash. But yeah, COD 4 remaster. That's really what we care about. So, you know, if I need that. This has to be the best week of my life, though. Heck, a new COD and the Cubs won the World Series. Oh my gosh. Just kidding. Screw the new COD. But here we are. It's a beautiful sleeve. Boom! Requires content download. There's the sleeve, beautiful. White on the inside like usual. Plain regular cardboard. Then we have this lovely steel book. It's the back with COD 4 and front with the Infinite Warfare. So I guess we'll go ahead and take this off. Did very well there for once. Good job, Taylor. I'm proud of you. I'll open it up. Okay. We have the Call of Duty Infinite Warfare Legacy Edition. Gosh, do they want me to break this thing in half, try and get it out? Let me press this down. Oh my gosh, I'm about to break this friggin' disc. What the heck? Game. Why do they do this? They want me to break it. Okay, we got it out. But in all honesty, that's just Infinite Warfare, so that's trash. We don't really care about it. Should have just cracked it in half. Here's digital content terminal. Alien mixtape camo. Sounds like trash. Arctonian blaster player card. Fan Fortune card pack and 5 supply drops. And then the official digital soundtrack. I mean, I don't know why I showed you the code. Doesn't matter because I've already used it. Call of Duty Infinite Warfare Season Pass. Simple enough. And, I guess that's really it, ain't it? Yeah. Yeet, I guess. Woohoo. I guess I'm done now. Bye. I'm SNL. And adios.